also its danger. Every day we are relying on renewable energy like coal, oil, and gas to power our homes, cars, and industries. Burning those fuels release harmful gas, pollute our air, and heats up the planet. Climate change, extreme weather, and a planet struggling to survive. Cracked soil or dry rivers. These are the source are running out and so it's time. But there hope we have clearly option. Renewable energy that doesn't harm the earth. Someone turning off a light or unplugging device. Even small action make a difference. Some energy save, be mindful and choose better. Together we can protect our home, we can help the earth breathe again. A clean green earth with smiling people or a child looking at the nature. Let's act before it's too late. Let the earth breathe again. Thank you.